Did you know that black holes don't just devour light, they also produce sound? Scientists recently discovered something that will shake your understanding of the universe forever. Black holes, the most powerful objects in existence, are not completely silent. NASA captured actual sound waves rippling through cosmic gas surrounding a black hole. These waves were translated into frequencies humans could actually hear. Haunting and eerie, the sound resembles a deep, terrifying hum echoing across millions of light years. Now imagine standing at the edge of the event horizon where nothing escapes. Beyond this boundary, even time itself bends and breaks under unimaginable gravity. The darkness here is absolute, consuming everything, leaving nothing behind. Yet one lonely astronaut drifts silently, facing this cosmic monster alone, small against infinity, yet brave enough to witness what few could ever imagine. The universe is vast, mysterious, and humbling, and we have barely begun to understand it.